In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the last enrolled using a sequence ID in HubSpot. If you're managing multiple sequences and need to check who last engaged, this guide is perfect for you. So let's dive in and make sure you're ready. First things first, open your preferred browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is your starting point to access all of HubSpot's functionalities. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This should generally be at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials and proceed to your HubSpot account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access sequences. Without these, you might hit a speed bump later on. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot dashboard, which is often referred to as HubSpot Home. From here, navigate over to the Automations section. This is a crucial step as all sequence-related functionalities are housed under Automations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if it's your first time here. Next, go ahead and click on Sequences. Doing this will bring up a list of all the sequences you have created or have access to. Now comes a slightly tricky part, identifying the sequence you are interested in. Look for the sequence by its name or description. If you manage many sequences, using the search or filter feature can come in handy, saving you a lot of time. With your sequence identified, click on it to access more details. You'll now see a variety of information related to this sequence. What we're interested in today though is enrollments. So direct your attention to the enrollments link and give it a quick click. Here's where you'll spot the last enrolled individuals. Check the enrollment dates to verify who was last added to your sequence. This information is invaluable, especially if you need to follow up or adjust your sequence strategy depending on the last interactions. That's about it. You have just successfully viewed the last enrolled using a sequence ID on HubSpot. Wasn't that smooth? It might feel a bit intricate at first, but with a few tries, it becomes a breeze to navigate through HubSpot's robust platform. Remember, keeping track of your enrollments can help in fine-tuning sequence effectiveness and ensure no potential lead slips through the cracks. Thank you for following along. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on optimizing your HubSpot experience. Catch you in the next one.